Welcome, my friend, to our first lesson. We're going to learn vocabulary by synonyms. Bring your notebook and write down the new words. We ready to go? Acquire. Get. Win. Buy. Receive. Gain. She has acquired a 50% stake in the company. Now it's your turn to repeat. Acquire. Learn. Pick up. Master. I've never acquired a taste for spicy food. Adapt. Adjust. Change. Match. Modify. Things will be different and we will have to adapt. Adapt. Convert. Change. Prepare. Fit. Shelves were built to adapt the library for use as an office. Adequate. Acceptable. Middling. Average. Fair. 1 in 4 people are without adequate homes. Adequate. Sufficient. Enough. Capable. Suitable. An amount adequate to purchase another house. Abstract. Theoretical. General. Starting with a few abstract principles. Abstract. Symbolic. Figurative. A modern abstract painting. Accuse. Allege. Blame for. Charge with. Indict for. He accused me of being lazy. She was accused of fraud by the police. Convince. Assure. Persuade. Satisfy. I soon convinced him of my innocence. He convinced her to take a gap year before going to university. Now it's your turn to repeat. Persuade. Urge. Advise. Influence. My husband persuaded me to come. Persuade. Cause. Prompt. Lead. The event which persuaded the United States to enter the war. Punctuate. Interrupt. Break. The silence was punctuated by the distant rumble of traffic. Punctuate. Emphasize. Mark. Stress. Underline. He smiled to punctuate the irony of his comment. Sustain. Maintain. Continue. Keep up. He has sustained his fierce social conscience. Sustain. Suffer. Experience. Undergo. Every aircraft in there has sustained some damage. Fundamental. Central. Necessary. Basic. Essential. The fundamental principles of democracy. The two leaders have very fundamental differences. Now it's your turn to repeat. Indulge. Gratify. Satisfy. Fulfill. Feed. My success has let me indulge my love of expensive cars. Now it's your turn to repeat. Indulge. Spoil. Pamper. Favor. Humor. She did not agree with indulging children. Irritation. Annoyance. Anger. Fury. Resentment. For the first time he felt irritation at her methods. Don't allow a minor irritation to impair your ambitions. Determine. Decide on. Choose. Establish. Settle. It's difficult to determine where it started. The funding will determine if they can go. They will determine if a crime had been committed. Entrust. Give custody of. Trust. Deliver. Commit. I've been entrusted with the task of getting him safely back. They are prepared to entrust her with the leadership of the party. She entrusted her children to the care of their grandparents while she was away on a business trip. Good job. Hi again, we hope you enjoyed and learned something new. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe.